In this lecture, we calculate the number of parameters available in a, sequential network or model. So here we use a basic formula. So kernel size into input channels plus 1 multiply with number of filters. So one example I show how to calculate the parameters. So he according to this kernel size, initially kernel size is a 9 by 9. So here we suppose we put 9 by 9 means 9 into 9, then multiply input channel. So input channel here is a 1. So we put 1, then plus 1 is a formula into number of filters. So here number of filters is a 64. So this is a 64. If you can solve this, so resultant is a 5248. 5248. So now this parameters are calculated. Similarly, you also calculate the second layer parameters. This is a first layer, and now you can calculate a second layer parameters. So second parameters kernel size is 7 by 7. So you put 7 by 7 multiply 64 because it's the input of this 64. So 64 as an input plus 1 into a number of filters. So in second layer number of filters is a 32. So you calculate this. So resultant is a 100384. 100384. Similarly, you can calculate also a third layer. So what is third layer is a kernel size. So kernel size is a 5 by 5. So you put here, suppose 5 by 5 is your kernel size, and your input channel is currently is a 32. So it's the 32 plus 1, and number of filters is a 16. So you solve this, results is a 1 2 8 and 1 6. So finally you can add all these layers, this value, and this value, and you calculate the final resultant total parameters of this. All parameters are trainable. So now we check same code on a Google Colab. So here we can run a Google Colab, and you can observe a number of parameters. So here I also show what results is a here is a total parameters.